Today we are about to discover the psychological tricks that have been employed by great seducers to enamor a woman by mastering her unconscious mind. Yes, those tricks that go beyond typical tactics. Do you know why? Because I will explain to you why they work and make it possible for you to understand and conquer in a unique way. Remember that this is the second part, with tricks directly targeted at the unconscious. Also, don't forget you can watch the first part after finishing this video. So, if you've ever had problems or doubts when it comes to conquering and seducing, this video is for you. We will not only explore that but also reveal a trick at the end that will surely make her feel hypnotic emotions. You wouldn't want to miss it. Trick number 1. Do her a favor. When we decide to do someone a favor, we unleash a powerful psychological effect known as reciprocity. This phenomenon is based on the human instinct to want to return kind gestures, even if they are small. Here's how to apply this trick subtly and effectively. Imagine that you observe something in her life that could be improved, even if it's something small. Perhaps she needs help with a task, or you notice that she's in a situation where you could be of assistance. Perform the favor authentically, without expecting anything in return. Authenticity is key for the reciprocity effect to be genuine and develop naturally. Remember to use silent observation. Notice details that could make her life a little easier or more pleasant. This gesture can range from helping her with something practical to letting her know you care about her well-being. In this way, we generate something like a positive debt. By performing this kind act, you are planting the seed of reciprocity. Psychology comes into play when she, naturally, feels inclined to return the kindness, thus creating a closer bond. Seize the moment to initiate a meaningful conversation. Ask her how she feels about it and share your own similar experiences. This exchange will contribute to strengthening the connection between you. I'll explain why this trick works. Reciprocity is based on the human need to balance emotional scales. When someone does us a favor, there is an internal impulse to return that positive gesture. By consciously using this trick, you not only create a stronger emotional bond but also lay the groundwork for future interactions and requests. Trick number 2. The halo effect. This trick is based on the fascinating phenomenon known as the halo effect, which suggests that the first impression we have of a person, whether positive or negative, can condition our overall perception of them. Here's how you can strategically use this effect to leave an indelible mark in the mind of a woman. Imagine you're in a conversation with that special woman. The key here is to create a first impression that makes her think you are potentially good, in general. So here, a genuine smile is necessary. Maintain a genuine smile during the conversation. A smile is a universal indicator of kindness and openness, contributing to creating a positive first impression. Remember to maintain authenticity and eye contact. Be authentic in your way of being. Avoid acting forced or pretentious. Also, make sure to maintain constant eye contact. This demonstrates interest and sincerity. Pay active attention to what she's saying. Ask relevant questions and show that you value her opinion. This type of active listening contributes to creating a positive and lasting first impression. Remembering something she told you the first time you met will be a great trick as the relationship progresses. And this trick works because the halo effect is based on the human tendency to form quick judgments about others based on the first impression. By smiling, being authentic, and maintaining eye contact, you are creating a positive image in the woman's mind. This positive halo conditions her overall perception of you, making her think you are a pleasant person with many interesting qualities to discover. This is a great moment to subscribe and give it a like. Have you subscribed yet? Alright, let's continue. Trick number 3. The bandwagon effect or dragging effect. It sounds strange, but don't worry, I'll explain. This trick is based on the fascinating bandwagon effect, discovered by psychologists in 1944, revealing people's tendency to choose the same things as others, do what others do, and believe in what the majority believes, unconsciously. Here's how you can use this phenomenon to unconsciously attract the woman you like. Imagine you're in a social environment with the woman you're interested in and her friends. The key here is to positively influence her perception through connections with people already around her. This has been demonstrated in countless movies, and of course, it happens in real life. If you don't get along with her friends, it will be much more difficult. But also, don't overdo it and get too friendly with her friends. You know what I mean. To apply this trick, observe and study the likes, passions, and hobbies of the friends of the woman you like. This will provide valuable information about what they value and enjoy. Try a subtle integration. Learn about those interests and let the friends know that you share those affinities. There's no need to force the situation. Just make them realize there are similarities in tastes. By getting along with her friends, you activate the bandwagon effect. The woman you like, seeing that the people around her enjoy your company, will unconsciously be drawn to you. And this works because this trick is based on the psychology of conformity and social influence. Most people tend to be attracted to what is popular or accepted by others. By subtly integrating into the social circle of the woman you're interested in, you activate the bandwagon effect. The social approval of her friends creates a favorable environment, making the woman you like naturally inclined to be with you since you have been positively validated by those who matter to her. A great trick, don't you think? Trick number 4, Ikea Effect. The Ikea Effect capitalizes on the human tendency to appreciate more what we have contributed to creating or improving. This phenomenon has been demonstrated in various studies, and here's how to apply it to strengthen your connections with that special woman. Imagine you want to get closer to the woman you like and establish a stronger bond. The key here is to seize the opportunity to ask for her help and, at the same time, improve something in your life. For example, when a girl goes to the gym and you ask her to teach you, or something like that. First, identify the strengths of the woman you are attracted to. Observe the strengths and positive habits of the woman you like. For example, if she has the habit of getting up early to walk, identify that as an area where you could improve. Now request her help. Approach her authentically and express your admiration for what she is achieving. Then, ask for her advice and help to implement those habits in your life. The idea is to show that you value her opinion and that you are willing to improve with her support. Besides, you'll have a new topic of conversation to check the progress of what you're doing. Now it is of vital importance that you actually implement it and not just make it up. Put into practice the advice she gives you and share the results with enthusiasm. This process not only allows you to improve but also shows her that you are taking her guidance seriously. As you progress in your personal improvement, suggest the idea of doing the activity together, like walking in the morning. This will further strengthen the connection as you are building something together. And this works because the Ikea effect is based on the psychology of personal investment. When we contribute to creating or improving something, we develop a sense of ownership and emotional attachment to it. By asking for help from the woman you like to improve something she's already doing well, you're activating this effect. She will feel flattered by your request for help, and as you share your achievements, the connection between you will deepen significantly. Let's continue. Trick number 5, Reciprocity Effect. This 5th trick is based on the powerful reciprocity effect, where human tendency leads us to feel attraction towards those who show interest in us. Reciprocity, defined as the tendency to respond with a positive action to another positive action, becomes an influential tool for attracting a woman. Here's how you can use this psychological principle effectively. Imagine you want to express your interest in the woman you like. The key here is to use reciprocity to foster a deeper connection. You can try with an authentic expression of interest. Let her know subtly but clearly that you feel attracted to her. This doesn't involve revealing all your feelings at once but expressing your interest genuinely. By showing your interest, you give her the opportunity to express her own feelings. This can open the door to more open and honest communication about her emotions and expectations. Encourage the woman to share her thoughts and feelings. Reciprocity operates when both parties are willing to be open and receptive. This trick works because the reciprocity effect is based on the human need for connection and acceptance. When we express our interest in someone, we activate reciprocity, meaning the other person, in this case, the woman you're interested in, is more likely to respond positively. This trick leverages the natural dynamics of relationships, where sharing feelings creates an environment conducive to emotional growth and the building of a deeper connection. If this video has been helpful for you so far, help me by leaving a comment. If you want a third part or if you want to discuss a specific topic, leaving a comment helps us reach more people and keep growing. Well, let's continue. Trick number 6, reveal your flaws. This 6th trick focuses on the power of revealing your flaws to build trust and show authenticity. A group of psychologists found that occasionally sharing your imperfections with someone, in this case, the girl you like, can build trust and show that you are a real and self-assured person. Here's how you can apply this trick effectively. Imagine you're in a conversation with the girl you're interested in and you want to build a connection beyond friendship. The key here is to share aspects of yourself that are genuine and sometimes a bit embarrassing, so you can make an authentic revelation. At an appropriate moment in the conversation, share some of your flaws or less highlighted experiences. They can be small things that make you seem more human and approachable. By revealing your flaws, you demystify the idea of perfection. This makes the woman see you as someone she can relate to, as we all have our quirks and mistakes. The revelation of your flaws builds trust because it shows that you're not trying to hide who you really are. Trust is crucial for establishing meaningful connections. The psychology behind this trick works because it is based on the idea of vulnerability and human connection. By revealing your flaws, you are being vulnerable and authentic, 2 elements that are crucial for building trust. Most people feel more connected to those who aren't afraid to show their imperfections. This approach not only makes you more accessible but also allows the woman you like to feel more comfortable sharing her own experiences and flaws. A fantastic trick. Trick number 7, self-confidence. The 7th trick focuses on the importance of projecting confidence when talking to the woman you like, thus creating psychological attraction. People tend to unconsciously imitate others, and by demonstrating confidence, you create a comfortable and attractive environment. At this point, I would like to mention that it is crucial to work on yourself first, especially on your confidence. That's why we will open a new section on this channel where we will discuss how you can become a better man, improving your charisma and self-perception, thus creating a better version of yourself. We look forward to seeing you in these future channel videos. Well, let's continue with the trick. Here's how you can apply this self-confidence trick effectively. Imagine you're having a conversation with the girl you're interested in. The key here is to strive to show self-confidence during the interaction. Maintain open and confident body language. Avoid slouching or making nervous movements. An upright posture and confident gestures convey calmness. Control the tone of your voice to be firm and serene. Avoid speaking too quickly or stuttering. A calm and confident voice conveys trust and control. Maintain appropriate eye contact. It's not necessary to stare, but moderate eye contact shows that you are present and confident. When answering questions or expressing your ideas, do so calmly and deliberately. Avoid rushing your responses, as this suggests confidence and thoughtful consideration. This trick works because it is based on the psychology of emotional contagion and unconscious imitation. When you project confidence, people around you tend to feel comfortable and unconsciously adopt a similar mental state. By speaking to the girl you like in a calm and confident manner, you are creating an environment in which she feels at ease. Additionally, confidence is also associated with the idea of protection, which can increase psychological attraction. Trick number 8, Similarity Attraction Effect. The 8th trick is based on the powerful Similarity Attraction Effect, which argues that we tend to be more attracted to people who share similarities in attitude, personality, values, or interests. Here's how you can use this effect to attract the woman you like. Imagine you want to establish a deeper connection with the girl you're interested in. The key here is to identify similarities and genuinely highlight them. Dedicate time to observe and study the attitude, personality, values, and tastes of the woman you like. Pay attention to things that define her life and that could be important to her. Once similarities are identified, authentically share the areas where you resemble each other. This may include shared values, similar interests, or common attitudes. Use these similarities to build deeper points of connection. For example, if you discover a common interest, talk about it and show enthusiasm. This creates a stronger emotional bond. By having shared reference points or activities, you become a positive element in her life. For instance, if you find a common musical taste, sharing moments related to that music will strengthen the connection. The similarity attraction effect works because it is based on the idea that we are more attracted to people who reflect aspects of ourselves. By highlighting the similarities you share with the girl you like, you are activating this principle. When people find commonalities, they feel more understood and accepted, contributing to a deeper and more lasting attraction. Trick number 9, Pygmalion Effect. The Pygmalion Effect suggests that communicating positive expectations to a woman can influence her behavior. Sometimes, making a woman feel something for us can be as simple as expressing our expectations towards her. Here's how you can apply this trick effectively. Imagine you want to positively influence the perception and behavior of the girl you like. The key here is to communicate positive expectations affirmatively and directly. Observe and identify positive qualities in the woman you're interested in. It could be her style, attitude, way of looking, among other things. Directly and affirmatively express to the woman what you appreciate about her. For example, you can say, "You're very flirty. I love how you look at me." Such statements set positive expectations. After communicating these expectations, observe how her behavior may subtly change. The idea is that her brain works to meet the positive expectations you have set. Why does this trick work? Because the Pygmalion Effect is based on the self-fulfilling prophecy, where one person's expectations about another can influence the latter's behavior. When you communicate positive expectations, you are activating this phenomenon. The brain tends to seek confirmation of the expectations that have been communicated, and the woman may start exhibiting behaviors that reflect what you have positively expressed. Believe me, understanding female psychology, especially targeting the subconscious, makes everything simpler, don't you think? The 10th trick emphasizes the importance of authenticity. Trick number 10 can build trust and credibility, creating a hypnotic effect on the woman you're interested in. Here's how you can apply this trick effectively. Imagine you're interacting with the woman you like. The key here is to be genuine and show who you really are. In your interactions, be honest and transparent about who you are. Avoid hiding aspects of yourself or trying to pretend to be something you're not. Authenticity is reflected in the consistency between your words and actions. Try not to hide the genuineness of your personality. Authenticity generates trust and credibility, as it demonstrates that you have no hidden agenda or secrets. When you are authentic, you convey a sense of security and honesty. Authenticity can create a hypnotic effect on the woman, as her subconscious captures sincerity and honesty. This can lead to a deeper connection, as the woman is drawn to someone who presents themselves as they are. Imagine this slightly crazy example. Let's say you have the habit of doing a little dance when you eat something delicious. Why hide this? It's a part of you. It's a part of who you are. Authenticity is linked to the perception of congruence and sincerity. When you are authentic, your behavior and words align with your true identity, which is consciously and unconsciously perceived by others. The hypnotic effect stems from the natural attraction to genuine people without masks. If you want a third part of this video, let me know in the comments. These are just some of the techniques you can apply to gradually capture her interest instead of the other way around. If you want to discover more about this fascinating topic of seduction, I invite you to watch another video right now. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.